Today, Ion LA is officially in nesting mode. So let's check back with our friends at Mathis Brothers to see some of their hottest bedroom designs, complete with must-have features. And this Style Spotlight, sponsored by Mathis Brothers.
With all furniture, and bedroom is no exception, the thing is to have features attached to your bed. So all of our vendors are starting to come out with USB charging ports, with built-in lighting. Once you have it, you wonder how you lived without it.
Right, right.
Yeah, we see a lot of even really, really stylish beds that don't look like they would have features in them have some surprises. So this is like a rustic farmhouse look, which is super popular at the moment. They have the adorable little lamps built into the headboard. You don't even have to, get out of bed to turn on the lamp. And this bed is just like an incredible value for all that you get for it.
You have all different styles.
We've got, platform beds, canopy beds, storage beds, beds with all kinds of bells and whistles.
One thing you didn't even know you needed in the bedroom? An adjustable base bed makes everything better. Watching TV, reading, cuddling, and the best part? The anti-snore button. That alone could save your marriage.
Everything you need.
You've got it all.
Yeah.
And you've even got a familiar face because I see Rit Mathis over here.
Come save big on a new rug at Mathis Brothers Furniture.
This is where I live and work, and happy to show up every morning and work here in Ontario to keep California's biggest furniture store open and looking pretty.
I have actually seen this bed on your Instagram page.
It's a great place for our customers to get started, figuring out what they need for their home, figure out what style they relate to. It's a great place to get inspiration, to start your shopping experience.
Having a beautiful garden can be just as satisfying as having a comfy home. So we found some experts who are ready, willing, and able to give you some free advice on planting a gorgeous California native garden.
We're here because we love native plants. We love California native plants because they're beautiful and they smell good. So if you take a walk around here, you come visit, you'll see our California lilacs, the ceanothus in bloom. You'll see California sunflowers, lupins. The Channel Island bush poppy is not to be missed. It's a gorgeous plant. What does it smell like to you?
Almost smells like cucumber-y.
Exactly.
Yeah.
To me it smells like cucumber, just this lightest scent of cucumber.
This is just one stunning example of the many California native plants at the Theodore Payne Foundation in Sun Valley.
Theodore Payne Foundation was founded in 1960 to carry on the work of an English horticulturist named Theodore Payne, who brought a lot of California native plants into cultivation. And what we do here is help other people learn about California native plants, and we also supply them because we have a nursery. We have 22 acres here in La Tuna Canyon, so we have a hiking trail that goes up on one of the hills, and then we grow plants further up the hill. So we have classes, we have field trips. There's a field trip here today. We have demonstration gardens that you can just come visit anytime to see plants and get inspired by them.
There's beautiful and fragrant inspiration around every bush. You'll also find mythbusters growing here, plants that deliver on water conservation and much more.
There is this idea that to save water, you give up things. And with California native plants, one of the nice things is you can save 50 to 80% of the water that you would have at the conventional garden, and at the same time gain beauty and diversity and color and smell.
And stepping into the nursery is the first step to really understanding plant power.
We have about, at any time, between 5,000 and 25,000 plants for sale. Do you want to have a place where birds are going to be? Do you want to have a place for butterflies? We talk to people about these decisions because having a garden, it requires work, so you want it to pay off.
And to keep things buzzing along for years to come, the foundation also has seeds on ice.
We have the Long Live LA seed bank. Our goal is to store them for 100 years. So here we're looking at the seeds that we keep for storage for decades, but these are the medium-term storage. A lot of these were seeds that were collected from the wild.
And these are really valuable to you guys.
They are. We had to evacuate twice for fires last year, and these are one of the very first things we had to make sure that we took.
The sprawling property is kid and dog friendly, and the best part, it's free to visit.
And there's something really marvelous about having a California native plant garden. As soon as you plant it, animals start showing up. You have these animated backyard that's full of butterflies and birds, and lizards will come, and it just makes it a much more entertaining space to hang out and much more engaging.